There are now more than 18,000 confirmed cases of the coronavirus in Maryland, and more than 800 people have died. Good evening, I'm Rachel Carden. These latest numbers show 30 more deaths and 815 additional cases right here in our state. WJZ is live. Annie Rose Ramos joins us now with the latest on the pandemic here in Maryland. Annie Rose?
Rachel, a day after the deadliest here in Maryland, we now have over 18,500 cases here in this state. The governor saying earlier today that while the number of deaths continue to rise, we now are starting to see some numbers start to flatten, starting to plateau, like the number of hospitalizations, which could mean a turn for the better for the state of Maryland. On the heels of Maryland's deadliest day from COVID-19. Sunday, the state recorded 18,581 total confirmed cases and 827 total deaths, up 30 from Saturday.
Our hospitalizations and ICU beds are starting to flatten, but our deaths and our infections are unfortunately going up.
Hospitalizations and ICU beds dictating when the governor can reopen the state.
Always critically important for a leader to put out the facts.
And offering some advice on Face the Nation Sunday.
It's critical that the President of the United States, when people are really scared and in the middle of this worldwide pandemic, that in these press conferences that we really get the facts out there.
After the president said disinfectant could be used to treat COVID-19.
By injection inside or almost a cleaning.
We had hundreds of calls in our hotline here in Maryland about people asking about injecting or ingesting these disinfectants.
Prompting the Department of Emergency Management to send out this alert.
Unfortunately, some of the messaging has not been great. I mean, the mixed messaging, I've raised concerns multiple times.
And on Saturday, Maryland's new Department of Labor Unemployment Assistance System crashing a day after it launched, prompting the department to take down the page. They say they're trying to resolve the technical issues. And we did check in with the Department of Labor's website. They thought it would be up by now. Unfortunately, it is still down, but they did say any information entered before it crashed should still be saved. But Rachel will keep you updated on its progress. Reporting live from Federal Hill, I'm Annie Rose Ramos for WJZ.